Algorand's EMA generally shows a fundamentally descending pattern in an all things considered huge way. As far as ALGO support floor, it certainly is currently 29 cents, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. ALGO falls 6.42% in 7 days, or so they by and large thought. Algorand really is by and by esteemed at 15 cents the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally got clarification on pressing issues. What truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Algorand essentially is ALGO for the most part wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they fundamentally thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty profound into the ALGO specialized examination, basically let us certainly discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1.150,973,041,636, which generally is genuinely critical. The kind of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $33,001,951,281 in a by and large enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is very huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, exhibiting that Algorand truly is by and by esteemed at 15 cents the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues. What in a real sense is especially momentary cost expectation for Algorand. In every way that really matters, is ALGO a truly wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM really has seen a value decline of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90. Following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, exhibiting that LGO falls 6.42% in 7 days, or so they most certainly thought. XRP, the local coin of XRP fundamentally is up by 0.98 and is of now exchanging at 49 cents. Showing that Algorand essentially is by and by esteemed at 15 cents the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these habitually explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues. What in every practical sense is especially momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Explicitly is ALGO in all things considered, wise venture, or so they most certainly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions sort of show that the market in every practical sense is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for truly present moment, or so they fundamentally thought. Right now, a general really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they generally thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers really become sort of more genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of shows that Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The truly current Algorand cost in a real sense is 15 cents, with an exchanging volume of $33,358,473 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. Beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, ALGO is somewhere near 1.5% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,096,881,767 USD, showing how the all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $33,001,951,281 in a genuinely huge manner. Algorand Value Examination ALGO Cost Investigation for the 29th of May 2023 inside a very everyday time period generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that following basically are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution. The ongoing Algorand cost really is 15 cents, with an exchanging volume of $33,358,473 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, or so they basically thought. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving extremely normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving exceptionally normal and dramatic moving pretty normal to basically examine the future development of the Algorand. Fundamentally further appearance how XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.98. And as of now exchanging at 49 cents, exhibiting that Algorand certainly is buy and buy esteemed at 15 cents the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified pressing issues. What by and large is transient cost expectation for Algorand? In a real sense is ALGO a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. The Algorand sort of has truly break all its especially upholds levels and things explicitly are not looking really great for the crypto market, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, truly bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take ALGO cost beneath the critical help level of 29 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The ALGO USD moving certainly normal union and dissimilarity marker explicitly as demonstrating a present moment basically sell exceptionally signal as the MACD line certainly is moving underneath commonly signal line which explicitly implies truly bears most certainly are overwhelming on the lookout. Further appearance how similarly opposition fundamentally is a level at which vendors for the most part become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical